Let me see where it goes. Fucking beam on one. Two right there and one right there. Get out of the beam and go straight. Yeah. Oh yeah, that fucking beam, man. Going with that fire, yeah.
No, I'm just saying this if I flip run out. Instead of using all number one.
You getting close, ain't it? You done tore it up there, man. Close to the bulls out there, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at yonder. Yeah, you done tore it up right yonder now. He got two high and low, and he got them on the left side kind of hanging there together. He's grouping that now, ain't it?
Yeah, group together, man.
Yeah, he got it right there. It's been so about 4 or 5 holes in one spot.
Yeah.
Yeah. He got to come on over to the right just a little bit there. Yep. And everything be working. Be working. You have to go ahead and handle it.
Empty the clip, pull the trigger fast as you can. I'm just trying to find it. Oh.
They get scandalous. We had to do this. Hey, that girl. Got that beam on them too. Make you get whoop right. This is how we do it out here in the country town. We get together just in case.
Go 2 more times straight.
Something just happened to pop off.
Ooh, that mug is on.
I believe we got it on point now, bud. I believe we done tore a hole out that old bull's ass. One more again. Oh, it's on yonder. Look at yonder. Y'all see that? Let's go around here and see what kind of effects this dude got on him. He might be done told him something lose his knees. What do you think?
Look at that motherfucker dead in the middle.
Damn, y'all need to come up just a notch.
Yeah, just a notch.
You got it in the hole, but you need to come up just a notch, bud. Yep. You put him up a notch and shoot right there in the sea. Put him up about a notch yonder and over to One of them hit him in the bullseye yonder. I see something there.
All them new right there. They don't want to load it.
Okay, well he got to come. He got to come up a notch and over to the right a little bit.
Yeah.
Come up a notch and over to the right a little bit. I believe we'll hit him dead in the Amos there, bud.
I got 1,000 damn rounds to play around.
We got 1,000 rounds to play with. We'll hit him dead in his Amos when it's all over with. We'll have him farting apple seeds out for the night, so.
You recording that, Push?
Some be farting apple seeds tonight before it's over.